completely staying. This is the price opening. Whenever I am placing cursor on a particular candlestick, you can always see the date below, and the chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means every single candlestick represents 1 hour. So the price opening on Monday, that is on 13th, was around 5,173, and the low that was created was around 5,160. So the last week the low was around 5,160. You can see where the price is trading now. It went up till 5,400, so nearly 250 points profit. So it is a very good bull run in crude market last week. So there is no doubt about the trend, and we would have expected this week to also the market should have continued its uptrend. So what happened on Monday after the price opening? You can see the market opened higher on Monday. That was on 20th. The price opened around 5,380. This is the zone where the market opened, and we had only an evening session. Even initially there was a drop and the price closed lower. You can see the Monday's price closing was around 5,340. Even then the next day the price opened exactly near the same zone, and it provided a very clear uptrend. You can see the market, but one thing we had noticed is that 5,400 is providing a clear resistance for crude market. So we can expect the market 5,420 and 5,400. That is the reason why we have marked this zone. So we can expect that this is the zone, potential zone for providing a good resistance in crude market. So what and you can see yesterday the price opening, after the price opening the market was completely dominated by the buyers, and in the latest session, that is in the closing time, the market little bit it came down and closed around 5,480. So today also we can expect the market to continue its uptrend, but only thing is that so the market was staying in the uptrend for a long time, so we can expect the market to just drop down a bit and then to take some support and to have some consolidation, and then it can give a trend direction. That is what we are expecting in crude market, because today we also have crude oil inventory report around 8 o'clock. That is also a major factor that can drive you. So what today's price opening, as far as the price opening is also concerned, we are expecting the market to open more or less around 5,360. So this is the zone where around 5,370 to 60, this is the zone where we are expecting the market to open, which indicates that there is some selling on tops, which we cannot deny the fact, because after a long run it is quite natural for the market to give some selling on tops, and then it will find a good support and then it can go back higher again. It doesn't means that you should go for a selling. We don't trade in that way. As we always say that we follow trend unless until we get a clear confirmation. We don't go against the trend. But seeing the price actions, we can expect a consolidation. So till this zone now for 5,220, we are expecting crude to stay in uptrend. So this is a very big stop loss zone. We know that if you are a conservative trader, you can take 5,260 into consideration. But if you have sufficient funds till 5,220, we are expecting crude to continue its uptrend, which means that you can go for an average till this zone. Whenever the price is dropping, we have marked the major zones 5,360, 5,320 and 5,280. Of course, you can see the market had taken a support here, and 5,260. If you have very good sufficient funds, even then it can wait for the market till 5,220. So these are the potential zones where we are expecting the market to show a bounce back. So till this zone you can go for an average, and today we can witness some drawdown, and then we can see a pullback in crude market. That is what we are seeing. But also it is today we have crude inventory report also, that can also give you a very good volatility. If the inventory report is positive, then we can see a reversal. That is the market can continue its uptrend also. So this is the possible potential zone 5,420. So we really want to see how the market is reacting within the zone, whether it is taking a good resistance, and the next level is going to be 5,440. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.